Today is Volunteer Fairfax's annual Volunteer Awards program. We honor outstanding individuals in our community. This year's theme is Volunteers Are Superheroes. These individuals make amazing impact on our community. They do ordinary feats with extraordinary impact to make a difference here in Fairfax County. It's important for the community to understand that Volunteer Fairfax is a hub. We coordinate individuals being connected to the nonprofit sector. This event allows the nonprofits and public agencies to nominate their individuals. These are not folks that Volunteer Fairfax puts forward. These are individuals that really have worked in the local communities, and their leadership say, we want to nominate them. They've done amazing things and we'd like the rest of the world to know about it. And one of the things that's so amazing about this event is you hear the stories, you're impacted, you can't not be, and you leave here going, I live in an amazing place because of all these wonderful people. The easiest way to contact Volunteer Fairfax to get involved in the community is to go through our website, which is www.volunteerfairfax.org, or you can call us directly at 703-246-3600, and one of our wonderful team members will be able to talk you through the process. You can find us on Facebook, Twitter accounts. There's many different avenues to reach out to us.